Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you unbiased tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Snapmaker Artisan, an all-in-one 3D printer, laser, and CNC machine. Let's see if this deluxe, feature-packed device is worth your investment. The Snapmaker Artisan is an impressive 3-in-1 machine that offers large-scale 3D printing, carving, and laser engraving capabilities, with enhanced features and improved performance compared to its predecessor. The Snapmaker 2.0, the Artisan delivers a larger build volume, faster speeds, and quick-release modules that snap into place effortlessly. This machine boasts premium features, including speedy linear rails on the X and Y axis, a dual Z-axis for stability, a two-sided pay-coated glass build plate, and built-in Wi-Fi. It's important to note that the Artisan does require a significant amount of space, so be prepared to make room for this behemoth. The packaging is well organized and clearly labeled, providing a comprehensive set of tools for assembly and maintenance. Additionally, the machine includes two 1-kilogram spools of Snapmaker filament, safety glasses, wooden and light plywood pieces, calibration blocks, clamps, and CNC bits. The Snapmaker Artisan is built with precision, encased in sleek aluminum, and features modular parts that effortlessly snap into place. Its 7-inch touchscreen control panel is easy to navigate, and the included enclosure provides the necessary lighting, ventilation, and safety for each mode. The built-in Wi-Fi adds convenience for file transfers. However, one downside of the Artisan is its massive size. Weighing 116 pounds and requiring almost a square meter of space, it demands careful planning and a dedicated setup area. Nevertheless, once you find the right spot, the Artisan proves its worth with high-quality performance. The CNC mode of the Snapmaker Artisan is primarily designed for wood carving but can also handle acrylic and soft stone. It features a wooden work surface with clamps for securing the material and offers default settings for different kinds of bits. Snapmaker Lubin, the custom slicer software, provides a beginner-friendly interface with presets and options for all three modes. While it lacks some advanced features like absolute size scaling and detailed material use estimates, it serves as a good starting point. For more customization, you can also use Cura for slicing 3D printing files. Overall, the Snapmaker Artisan is a high-quality machine for makers who want a combined additive and subtractive manufacturing experience. While it comes with a premium price tag, its solid construction, user-friendly interface, and safety features make it worth the investment. However, if you don't need a 3-in-1 machine, there are other options available that may better suit your specific needs and save you money. That concludes our review of the Snapmaker Artisan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.